Deep breath in and out. Relax that shoulder. Those popped all by themselves.
That was just from me breathing. Hi, my name's Tamim Sattar. I'm a corporate trainer for Denny's. Basically, I have a lower back and hip problem. My legs stiffen up. I can't really do anything. I'm completely immobile. I'm either laying down or I'm standing up, stretching throughout the day.
So deep breath in and out. Let that leg fall again. Good. Then just kind of stand up, move around. What do you notice?
Wow, my back, shoot, right away. The last 3 weeks, anytime I stood up, it was almost like it was tightening up a little bit.
Yeah.
But then like just for me standing up, I feel so loose now, you know?